you've been following AI video tools lately, you know there's a new game-changing generator launching every single week. But here's the brutal truth. Most of them are either ridiculously expensive, impossible to use, or they just don't deliver the quality they promise in their flashy demos. I've spent the last 6 months testing every major AI video tool on the market, and I mean really testing them, and not just watching their marketing videos, but actually using them for real projects, pushing their limits, and tracking exactly what they cost per video. What I discovered will save you hundreds of hours and potentially thousands of dollars. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which AI video generator fits your specific needs, your budget, and your skill level. Plus, I'll show you the one platform that's quietly revolutionizing how creators access these tools, and it might completely change your workflow. Let's dive in. Here's what's happening right now in the AI video space. We've got dozens of tools, each claiming to be revolutionary. But when you actually try to use them in real projects, you run into the quality problem, the cost problem, complexity problem, subscription problem, the quality problem. Tools like early runway generations look impressive in 3-second demos, but try to create anything longer than 5 seconds and you get morphing faces, inconsistent lighting, and objects that just disappear. The cost problem: premium tools like Google's VO3 can cost $2 to $3 per short clip. If you're creating content regularly, that adds up fast. I've seen creators burn through $200 in credits in a single afternoon of experimentation. The complexity problem: each tool has its own interface, its own prompting style, its own quirks. You end up spending more time learning software than actually creating. The subscription stack problem: to get the best results, you need multiple tools. That's $50 for Runway, $30 for another platform, $40 for a third. Suddenly you're paying $120 plus monthly for video tools. But here's what I've learned after testing everything: there isn't one best AI video generator. Instead, there are tools that excel at specific tasks. And understanding this is the key to actually getting results. After extensive testing, 4 tools consistently delivered professional quality results. Let me break down what each one actually does best. Number 1, Google VO3, the cinematic powerhouse. What it excels at: photorealistic quality with synchronized audio, and it is best for high-end projects where quality matters more than speed. VO3 is the closest thing we have to AI cinematography. When I prompted it with a chef cooking in a busy restaurant kitchen, flames rising from the pan, cinematic lighting, the result looked like it was shot by a professional crew. The game changer? It generates audio automatically, not just background noise, actual synchronized sound effects. The flames crackle, pans sizzle, and there's even ambient kitchen noise that matches the visuals perfectly. The reality check? It's expensive and slow. A single 8-second clip can cost $2 to $3 and takes 2 to 3 minutes to generate. But if you need footage that looks indistinguishable from real camera work, nothing else comes close. Number 2, Kling AI, the character consistency king. What it excels at: realistic human movement and character consistency. And it is best for content featuring people, talking heads, social media videos. Kling AI, developed by the team behind TikTok, understands human motion better than any other tool. I tested it with a prompt about a detective examining evidence, and the facial expressions, hand movements, and body language were remarkably natural. The standout feature is their Elements mode. You can maintain the same character across multiple scenes. Upload a photo of someone and Kling will keep them looking consistent throughout different scenarios. And the reality check? It's fast and relatively affordable, but the outputs can sometimes look slightly CGI-ish. Perfect for social content, but maybe not for high-end commercial work. Number 3, Runway Aleph, the video editor revolution. What it excels at: editing existing footage with AI prompts, and it is best for transforming and enhancing existing videos. This is completely different from the others. Instead of generating videos from scratch, Aleph lets you edit existing footage by describing what you want changed. I took a daytime street scene and prompted, make it golden hour with dramatic lighting. Aleph relit the entire scene, adjusted shadows, and changed the color temperature, all while keeping the original motion and composition intact. You can remove objects, remove the trash can, change weather, add falling snow, or even generate new camera angles from a single shot. The reality check: it's limited to 5-second clips and requires a Runway subscription. But for video editing, it's genuinely revolutionary. Number 4, Hilo AI, the speed demon. What it excels at: ultra-fast generation with built-in voiceovers, and it is best for quick content creation, explainer videos, social media. Halo generates 6-second videos in under 30 seconds, but the real magic is the integrated audio. You can input a script, and it'll create a video with matching narration and background music. I tested it with a mountain landscape at sunrise plus a script about morning meditation. In 25 seconds, I had a complete video with visuals, voiceover, and ambient music. The reality check, the quality isn't quite as polished as VO3, and the voiceovers can sound slightly robotic. But for rapid content creation, it's unmatched. Now, here's where things get interesting. While I was testing all these tools individually, I discovered something that completely changed my workflow, and that is OpenArt. Instead of juggling multiple subscriptions and learning different interfaces, OpenArt gives you access to all the major AI video models in one place. VO3, Kling, Hilo, Runway's models, they're all there, but it's not just about convenience. Here's what makes it powerful. Instant model comparison. You can run the same prompt through multiple models and see which gives the best result for your specific use case. Unified credit system. Instead of managing separate subscriptions, you use credits that work across all models. Prompt enhancement. Their AI can automatically improve your prompts to get better results from any model. No learning curve, one interface for everything. Learn it once, use any model. I've been using OpenArt for the past 3 months, and it's completely streamlined my video creation process. Instead of switching between platforms and managing multiple accounts, I can test ideas quickly and choose the best tool for each specific job. Beyond the big four, there are some specialized tools that excel in specific niches. Higgsfield. Think of it as the preset powerhouse. It has over 50 cinematic camera movement, presets drone shots, tracking shots, dramatic zooms. If you want professional camera work without learning cinematography, Higgsfield makes it one-click simple. Cdance, the only tool that can create multi-shot narratives. Instead of generating one scene, it can create a sequence of connected shots with consistent characters and evolving storylines. It's still emerging, but it's pointing toward the future of AI storytelling. Wand 2.2, the open source option. It's free to use if you have the hardware, and the community is constantly improving it. The quality isn't quite at VO3 levels, but for experimentation and learning, it's invaluable. Let me give you the honest numbers because the marketing materials don't tell the whole story. Budget option, $10 to $20 per month. OpenArt's basic plan gives you enough credits for about 8 to 10 short videos monthly, perfect for social media creators or occasional use. Professional use, $30 to $60 per month. This gets you unlimited access to most models on platforms like Higgsfield or higher credit limits on OpenArt. Good for regular content creation. Enterprise level, $100 plus per month, unlimited access to premium models like VO3, priority processing, and advanced features. The hidden costs, don't forget about iteration. You'll rarely get the perfect video on the first try. Budget for 2 to 3 attempts per final video when calculating real costs. Here's my honest recommendation based on different use cases. If you're just starting out, begin with OpenArt. The free tier lets you test multiple models, and you can upgrade as you figure out what works for your content. If quality is everything, VO3 through OpenArt or Higgsfield. Yes, it's expensive, but the results are genuinely cinematic. If you need speed and volume, Hilo AI for quick content or Kling for character-focused videos. If you're editing existing footage, Runway Aleph is currently the only game in town for AI-powered video editing. If you want to experiment and learn, Wand 2.2 if you have the technical skills, or Higgsfield for preset-based creation. Here's what I've learned after months of testing. The future isn't about finding the one perfect AI video tool. It's about understanding which tool excels at what and using them strategically. I might use VO3 for a hero shot that needs to look perfect, Kling for character scenes, and Runway Aleph to enhance the final edit. The creators who are getting the best results aren't loyal to one platform. They're using the right tool for each specific job. That's why platforms like OpenArt are so valuable. Here is what I recommend. Start with OpenArt's free tier to test different models and find what works for your style. Focus on one use case first. Don't try to master everything at once. Study the prompt guides. Good prompting makes a huge difference in output quality. Budget for experimentation. Plan to iterate and refine your approach. And just tell me, what type of videos are you planning to create? Drop a comment below. I'd love to help you choose the right tool for your specific needs. And if this breakdown was helpful, make sure to subscribe because on this channel, I test and review every major AI update as it happens.